The effect of angiotensin II on erythropoietin production is A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. No effect, D. Bimodal. Correct answer A. Increase. This is due to decreased renal blood flow. Inhibition of the renin-angiotensin system with ACE inhibitors or ARBs can decrease erythropoietin secretion and cause anemia. Normal clinic blood pressure with elevated ambulatory BP is called A. White coat hypertension, B. Masked hypertension, C. Resistant hypertension, D. Postural hypertension. Correct answer B. Masked hypertension. The reverse is seen in white coat hypertension. Masked hypertension can be suspected with higher values being recorded from home measurements. Masked hypertension has an adverse cardiovascular impact. Non-dippers are those persons whose blood pressure at night does not dip -% below daytime blood pressure. A. 10%, B. 15%, C. 20%, D. 25%. Correct answer A. 10%. Non-dippers have a higher risk of stroke. The diurnal variation in blood pressure is recorded by ambulatory BP monitoring. True about tolvaptan. A. ADH antagonist. B. Rifampicin can decrease its efficacy. C. Cyclosporin can increase its effect. D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Effects of rifampicin and cyclosporin are because of the influence on tolvaptan metabolism by the CYP3A pathway. Antidiuretic hormone is an A. octapeptide, B. decapeptide, C. pentapeptide, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. octapeptide. The central effects of ADH are mediated by V1A and B receptors and the peripheral effects by V2. Which of the following is not a major manifestation of rheumatic fever? A. Carditis, B. Chorea, C. Polyarthritis, D. Prolonged PR interval. Correct answer D. Prolonged PR interval. Prolonged PR interval is not considered to be an evidence of carditis and hence not a major manifestation. Which of the following are more common in females than in males? A. Primary pulmonary hypertension, B. Patent ductus arteriosus, C. Secondum atrial septal defect, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. 65 to 75% secondum ASTs occur in females, while the gender distribution is equal for sinus venosus and ostium primum ASTs. Primary pulmonary hypertension is twice as common in females than males. Patent ductus arteriosus is twice as common in girls than boys. Drug which can shorten QT interval in LQT3. A. Amiodarone, B. Quinidine, C. Procainamide, D. Mexiletine. Correct answer D. Mexiletine. In LQT3, there is excessive inward sodium current which is blocked by mexiletine, but this effect may not be seen in all cases of LQT3. Most common cause of death in older women. A. Uterine malignancy, B. Carcinoma breast, C. Cardiovascular disease, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Cardiovascular disease. T-wave inversion in anterior chest leads in young females is most likely due to A. Acute myocardial infarction, B. Acute pulmonary embolism, C. Persistence of juvenile pattern, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Persistence of juvenile pattern. Juvenile pattern is the inversion of T waves in anterior chest leads seen in children and can persist in young adulthood in females. It becomes normalized earlier in males. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.